did it all reset?
Today we're bringing the Jeep back for 4-door speakers, some tweeters in the dash, and we're wrapping the hood. Now that the Jeep letters have left the chat, I can begin to prep the hood for the vinyl inlay. The knifeless tape that I'm using is from 3M. You can pick this up anywhere vinyl wrap supplies are sold. Alright guys, real quick, let me show you what Jeremy's got to go through just to get these tweeters in the dash. Holy, where'd your dashboard go, Cody?
I don't know, man. Speaker.
Oh, hey look, there it is.
What? Here's your speaker. What the fuck?
Now if you watched the first video on this Jeep, you know these batteries have been around.
Going from 200 pounds of batteries to 21 pounds of batteries.
Unbelievable.
Guys, go check out the website. I'll put that on the screen and in the link description below. And be sure to check out skyhighcaraudio.com for a huge selection on everything you need for your build. And visit timpanocaraudio.com for their amps. This Retro56 is also available on skyhighcaraudio.com. Now the Timpano amp over on the left is the 4-channel for the components. This isn't a paid product placement ad. We pay for all the products we use. We are not promoted by the company in any way, shape, or form. I'm only going to suggest products I truly believe in. I also forgot about the 4-channel DSP, also from Timpano.
Damn, my guy. This is beautiful. It already sounds better. I haven't even touched shit.
Situation, my partner's mama smoking rock that turned her to a hoe. His sister fuck with that would blow. Killers moving silence, and Mendoza takes his toe. And motherfuckers.
I found it the first time. It should run.
3 hours later.
Oh, I'm not even on the fucking thing.
Oh, did it all reset?
Probably.
I hope the DSP didn't reset. You should be able to tell though if it sounds like way off. Does it at least sound similar or?
Should. I think so.
Excuse me, sir. Do you have a moment to speak about our Lord DJ Rusticles?
Actually, close that door. I'm gonna close this one. Build some pressure in this bitch. Leave this door open. Did it fucking shoot up?
Yeah. Once I got off it, yeah.
Yep. Was that pretty much full beans?
That was everything.
Fucking clip light didn't even glow.
No?
Play another song. You got something that hits a little harder, or is this like one of your hardest hitting ones?
I could get some a little bit more.
Because if it didn't glow, fucking give her a little bit more.
Okay, stick with me. You guys are gonna have to wait another minute and a half or so to see what color is going on the Jeep. But now that the stereo is done and it's 8 p.m., Cody finally left to go get some food. And I've had a surprise for him to ghost in under the vinyl. Check this out. Now look closely. I don't know if you can see it yet. Can anyone in the comments down below guess what it is? I'm surprising him with a huge Skyhigh car audio sticker underneath the vinyl wrap. So if you guessed a 3-foot Skyhigh car audio sticker, congratulations, you were correct.
Bro, that is definitely not the right color.
What?
That's
Dude.
not what I ordered.
They sent you the wrong color?
Yeah. It's
Oh
gotta
man.
go, my guy.
Y'all gonna make me lose my mind. Up in here, up in here.
Well, it might have been the wrong color, but at least it got him noticed. In part 2, we changed the color. Cody builds a new sub box and a whole lot more. So make sure your post notifications are turned on and subscribe if you haven't already so you don't miss